Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here. Unfortunately, I am fighting the dreadful man flu. So sorry about my voice. I'm sure it sounds disgusting. Update to the channel. A couple new acquisitions. In particular, 2 sharpening stones I picked today. You can see Suehiro sharpening stone. Product number 80, Okumura Chemical Stone Company. The dimensions, of course, made in Japan, and same. That's a 100 grit stone. Some information from the retailer, Newcomers from Germany. A silicon carbide stone, again 100 grit. Stay tuned for more videos. Let's remove it, and the king is in the house. Well, not the 1000. I decided to go with the 800. King Deluxe 800. Can we see product number? Again, the retailer, Newcomers from Germany. Another slip sheet. And this is big stone. Information on the bottom. For all you Japanese reading persons. Not the brick size, but for me it's big enough. Another acquisition, Svord point hunting knife. You see a brand new version of previously shown knife on my channel. The only thing I did was to remove the lacquer finish from the blade with thinner lacquer, paint thinner, sorry. More videos to come. And a little bit job with my trusty and beloved Spyderco Pacific Salt. You can see hand filed. Yeah, I used metal file to grind off the hollow grind. I picked some coarse sandpaper to finish it, but this is job to be done in the next couple of days. So, new knife, old knife, new stones. Thank you for watching, and thank you for coming back to my channel. For sure not the best sharpening channel on the YouTube, but I have my moments, and sometimes my videos are reasonably good. Thank you for supporting me with your thumbs ups and likes. Have a nice day, stay safe, avoid the dreadful man flu. I feel like piece of shit. Bye.